Hey eBayers, it's Suzanne, and as promised, I have my April sales update. I am trying to be as transparent as possible here, so even though it was quite sad and quite slow, I'm still going to update you on what sold. Basically because I'm on a quest to fight fake news on YouTube about eBay reselling. So I'm going to give you the truth. I'm going to be honest about things, even when it means admitting things didn't go so great, because it happens to everybody. So first off, my disclaimer is that I take full responsibility for my slow and very sad sales because I didn't list much in April. And when you don't list, sales are slower. But this is a testament to eBay that even when you aren't listing, some things will still sell. It won't be as great as when you are listing, but the work you have done previously will pay off if you have a bad month or you can't get to your eBay store because of other obligations. And one thing you guys got to realize is that life happens to everybody, and sometimes eBay has to be put on the back burner. It's not that you're making excuses that you're too busy. Sometimes really things happen, and it could be you get sick, or there's a family emergency, or your schedule's just really packed and busy with things kids are doing, or any number of things happen to where we have to step away from our business sometimes. So it's not excuses, it's just life. So just realize that, and it's kind of like an exercise program. You do the best you can to stick to your goals and to stick to your schedule, but sometimes a whole bunch of stuff hits you at once and you just have to wing it and do the best you can. So that's what happened. So anyway, here are some sales just to share with you and follow up on things that I had mentioned in my haul videos. So this is an Affliction men's thermal shirt, long sleeve. I paid $3.18 for this at Goodwill. I took a best offer of $20, so my profit was $14.79, and it took about 4 months to sell. So here is the my what do you call it? Sales record. Sorry. When you go on your sold items, you can click see sales record and it will give you this information there. So instead of going over to watch count, I'm just going to do it this way. Okay, the next item is a Banana Republic dress. I showed this in a haul video back in January. I paid $3.70. It sold for full price of $28.03. My profit was $21.41, and it took about 2 months to sell. So there is the sales record information. The sales price is $28.03, and here I am showing that in my haul video from January. Okay, the next item, this was a good sale, the Daisy Fuentes hair extensions. These sold for full price. I paid $1.60 for these. They sold for full price of $49.04, and my profit was $41.31, and these took about 2 months to sell. Took me a little while to get them listed, but then they sold pretty well. So this is why you should look through all the little junky stuff, because you just don't know what's going to be mixed in back there that could be brand new in the package. So there is my sales record information, $49.03, and this is where I showed it in a haul video back on January 17th of 2018 and predicted I would sell them for $49, and I did. Okay, this is a women's sailor skirt. I paid $3.18 for this, took a best offer of $20, so the profit was $14.79. It took a couple of months to sell, and there is my sales record information. I did show this in a haul video on February 23rd and predicted I would sell it for $34, but I did take a best offer of $20. Just at the time, that's what I took. Okay, this is the INC large halter dress. I paid $3.18 for this, took a best offer of $15, so my profit was $9.96. Took about 3 months to sell. And so this sold in April, and on April 23rd actually. So not quite spring in a lot of places, but doesn't matter. If you have it listed, it can sell even if you think it's the off season. So there is my sales record showing it sold for $15. And I showed that in a haul video on January 17th, where I predicted it would sell for what? I think I said I was going to put $20 on it, which I did. So I took just under my estimate. And this is a brand that I had never listed before. It's called Hail Bob. Actually, I listed an item before this about a year ago. So I do have a video on this brand if you want to check that out. And this I took a best offer of $15, and I paid $3.18 for it, so my profit was $9.96. Took about 6 months to sell. So there's the sales record on that. So very short, not a whole lot to report, but that's the way it is sometimes. So the takeaway from this video is sometimes desperate times call for desperate measures. And sometimes you have to take some low offers to pump some SEO juice into your store, meaning search engine optimization. If you are stuck and things aren't moving and you're getting offers, take a few of them, even if they're not optimal. You have to look at your business as a whole rather than each individual transaction. So if you're stalled and nothing's happening and you're getting offers, just take them. As long as they're not, you're not going to lose money, because sometimes those sales from taking low best offers will help get your store moving again. It just has to do with the algorithm that eBay uses. So basically, do what you have to do to get your sales rolling again, even if that means take some low offers, and then you might see a upward trend of your sales. Just get what you can get. Also, I want to remind you real quick about my premium content subscription service I've started. Here's some of the videos I have put in there in the last few days. I've got a great series on Disney collectibles. It's going to be very helpful. I've started an anthropology clothing course that's going to be sort of dripped in there over time. I'll keep adding to it. I've got a video on how to figure out the size of clothing without a tag, ways to research unusual items for eBay, interesting shipping hack for global shipping, and why your item sells for less than the competition. That video is almost 30 minutes long, and it has some case studies, so it's very helpful. So give that a try. The link is below, and have a great day on eBay. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.